Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install B612 AI photo and video editor app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install this app and you are incurring any issue, then follow these steps to fix this. Now, first, before installing this app, you need to make sure that you have enough space on your phone before you install it. So if you can't install because you do not have enough storage, then you might want to delete apps that you don't use or even videos and photos from your gallery before you can try to install it. As you can see, this app is quite huge. Currently, it is 154 MBs and you'll need to have enough space for you to install it. However, if storage space was not an issue on your smartphone, then go to Google Play Store and make sure you are searching for your app while logged in with your Gmail account. However, if that was not the issue, then just tap on your Gmail account profile here, then scroll down to settings, and under settings, look for this option called network preferences. Under this, look for this option called app download preference. For my smartphone version, it is the first option. Tap on it and choose the first option, download over any network. This will ensure that you are able to download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. From here, tap on OK and go to save the changes. Now turn on your mobile data or connect to your Wi-Fi before you can install your app. However, if this didn't solve the problem, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, you need to go to Google Play Store and long press on it to access its app info page. You can also access Google Play Store app info page through settings. So if you don't see this app info shortcut, depending on your phone, you should see a settings gear next here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we need to clear data, and we have the clear data option here. So if you go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Play Store, and the important is this cache data. So these are just files that your app collected to enhance user experience, but sometimes when they accumulate, they might cause Google Play Store to malfunction, including being unable to download and install apps. To fix this, tap on clear data. It is down here, and then choose the last option, clear cache, and confirm by tapping on OK. And look at that, our over 7 MBs of data has been cleared. So at this point, restart your smartphone and go search for your app. So I'll search for B612. Here it is. Let's run the search and see if this time round we are able to install. So I'll tap on install. And now look at that, I'm able to install my B612 AI photo and video editor app. So that's how you can fix can't install B612 AI photo and video editor app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.